The concept of percentage is important not only for the quantitative aptitude section, but also for the data interpretation and data sufficiency section of the competitive exams. So let us understand the basic concepts of percentage. Percentage can be divided into percentage, that means per every 100. It is denoted by the symbol percentage. For instance, if a student scores 20 out of 25, his score out of 100 is given by multiplying the fraction by 100. That is, 20 divided by 25 into 100 is equal to 80%. Thus, any given ratio can be converted into percentage by multiplying the ratio with 100, and the vice versa to convert percentage into decimal or fraction. Now here we have a table wherein percentage is converted into fraction form. For example, 100% can be written as 1, 50% as half, 1 by 2, 33.33% as 1/3, 25% as 1/4, and so on. Now we will look at the concept of percentage change. There are two changes when a quantity gets modified. They are actual change and percentage change. For example, when the price of a product goes up from rupees 100 to rupees 120, the actual change is rupees 20. This is given by rupees 120 minus rupees 100. The percent change can be calculated by actual change divided by original value multiplied by 100. Thus, the percentage rise in the value can be given by 20 divided by 100 multiplied by 100 is equal to 20%. Relationship between percentage and ratio. There is a direct relationship between the numerator of a ratio and the ratio itself. If the numerator increases by a certain percentage, the ratio also increases by the same percentage. Note, if the denominator remains constant. For example, 25 by 40 is 25% more than 20 by 40, as the rise in the numerator is 25% of its initial value. Percentage required nullifying a percentage rise. If there is a percentage rise, X%, then the effect of its change can be nullified by 100x divided by 100 plus X%. For example, if the price of a product went up by 25%, by what percentage should the price be reduced to make the price even? Percentage reduction required is equal to 100 multiplied by 25 divided by 100 plus 25 is equal to 2500 upon 125 is equal to 20%. Successive percentage change. If a value A increases by A%, B%, C%, and so on up to N%, the total rise in percentage is given by the formula final output is equal to A in brackets 1 plus A divided by 100 close bracket, 1 plus B divided by 100, 1 plus C divided by 100 up till 1 plus N divided by 100. If a value A decreases by A%, B%, C%, and so on up to N%, the total decline in percentage is given by the formula final output is equal to A 1 minus A divided by 100, 1 minus B divided by 100, 1 minus C divided by 100, up till 1 minus N divided by 100.